Hey friends, get ready with me while I do a pride look. We are busting out the blue painter's tape for this one, guys. Just go ahead and get that tape on as straight as you can. I was crooked, so be straighter than me. I'm going to use white foundation from Sunset Makeup because I really want my colors to pop. You don't have to use foundation. You can use a concealer. And then I'm going to bust out the Bunny Blends palette because her stuff blends so well. Velvety smooth. Get you some of that. I'm going to start it with the red and I'm going to pack that in. And then the orange I'm going to pack and then push because I want the colors to be able to blend. Then I'm going to brush it into the red just to kind of get that blend. So here we are removing the tape. And you can probably notice the bottom is a little crooked on one side. But, we're just going to go with it. We're just going to go. And then I'm going to take this combination of e.l.f. I'm really loving this for my foundation. Now I was deciding on these like iridescent ones on the outside of the border, just kind of like a makeup mask, or I could take all these rainbow colors and put them on the inside. My husband said go big or go home, so we're going big. I'm using this duo eyelash glue, and I put that in the red first and then just started going to town. Now this orange kind of looks like the yellow, so I wasn't feeling it, so I used a different stone for that, and here we are so far. Now I just got the purple left. This took me 3.5 hours, guys, legit. Okay, so it needed a little something extra, so I added some iridescent stones here and there on the outside of my face, and I think it looks great. Leave me a comment. Do you like it? Let me know. Bye.